Hello traders. In this video, we'll be talking about the Zwinner Trend Indicator for MT4. This trend following tool plus a clear visual trend filter on your chart so you can quickly distinguish bullish and bearish phases and stay aligned with stronger directional moves. At this point, I'll just get right into it and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the level imports, and there we have it. The Zwinner Trend Indicator displays color-coded information in a separate sub-window that changes when its internal logic detects a shift in trend direction. In bullish conditions, the indicator shows a bullish state. For example, here, the green color, as you can see, close to or just beneath where it happened on the main price charts. In bearish conditions, it switches to a bearish state just beneath where it happened on the main price charts. As you can see in red, so we have the green for the bullish conditions and then the red for the bearish conditions. So it's actually pretty straightforward, and these visual changes help you see when the market is trending and when conditions may be less favorable for trend following entries. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. So the indicator relies on smoothed price and volatility logic to determine when to flip from bullish to bearish and vice versa. You can usually adjust sensitivity and smoothing to make it more reactive for lower time frame trading or more conservative for swing trading, as well as customize colors. So the current trend state is immediately clear. So who is this indicator for? The Zwinner Trend Indicator is suited to traders who prefer a straightforward visual trend filter to support entries based on other tools or price action setups. It remains a lagging trend following tool that can flip late at turning points and whipsaw in sideways markets. So it should always be combined with structure, confirmation, and sound money management, not used as a standalone signal generator. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Zwinner Trend Indicator MT4, see example charts, and explore practical usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.